In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the chat feature on a Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section down below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But from the main menu, what you're going to want to do is scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a game chat option on here. Select it and then choose whatever profile you want to use. You'll see a whole welcome screen explaining that game chat allows you to talk with friends using voice or text chat while playing, and you'll be asked to review the game chat data processing information. Just scroll through it, hit done, and from here you're going to eventually end up on a page that looks like this. You may have to hit next a few times. But to use game chat, you will have to verify with your phone number, so do that. Hit next a few more times, you'll get a QR code on your screen. Just use your smartphone to scan that QR code, and you'll be taken to the official Nintendo account website. Log into the same Nintendo account you're using on your Switch 2, enter the phone number, and you're going to receive a verification code via text message. Enter in that code, and whenever you're completed with that, you'll see a message saying that your phone number has now been registered. Return to the Switch 2, you can adjust these settings, or you can create a chat, view your chat list, and manage your friend chat permissions, and you'll be able to chat while playing supported games. Now, game chat availability and features may depend on Nintendo Switch Online membership requirements, so keep that in mind. Make sure your system's updated, connected to the internet, but that is it. You should be able to use chat here on your Nintendo Switch 2 now. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.